He's my father, C. Harinath Reddy. Basically, we are from Chittoor district, close to Madanpalli, village called as Parapatla. And we got to know about this hospital 2015. My wife has met with an accident, and we have been here. Surgery went excellent, and she has recovered well. After that, over a period of time, my father had a knee issue, and we have got it replaced. Dr. Mahesh has done the surgery. It went very well, and he has completely recovered. Earlier, he never used to walk for 500 meters. Now he is able to walk 4 to 5 kilometers in a day, and it is within 2 months. It's excellent recovery, and we are happy to